Hey guys, with the with the calls that I sold, I did pick out like about 10K worth of UWMC, which is a similar company to RKT. It's a number two position to them. But I actually got the suggestion from one of my followers on TikTok, so thanks to you, dude. I forgot what your username is. I actually looked at the chart, and it actually just broke the day MACD on the chart, and it created bottoms on the stochastic. So it does look like it's primed to basically shoot up back to highs of not even 1381. I do think that this can potentially go all the way back up to $15. I don't know if it'll run up past that. I do think that when this hits $15, I do think that it's primed to head straight there in the next couple of days. If it does hit that, I'm probably going to take around half my original investment out and then just let the rest of it ride. But yeah, just with the calls that I sold for RKT, the profit that I had, I did buy about $10,000 worth of UWMC. Again, I'm holding this to around maybe $15, selling half, and then probably holding it out to $20 depending on what the chart tells me. So I'll see you guys later.